So, hello everyone. I am Dr. Sadawarti, Vice Chancellor, CT University, Ludhiana. We are organizing Indo Nepal Summit in Kathmandu on 21st of May at Indrani Hotel. So, CT University, in collaboration with Sankara Academy of Vision, organizing Education for Future. We know the impact of higher education on the nation. Higher education is always be provided as a quality education for the building of any nation and providing a proper human resource which is useful for the global level and preserve historical and heritage of the nation. Transformative impact of higher education for creativity, entrepreneurship and placement is also a need of the hour. So our aim is to provide a proper theme with education for future for Nepal government and universities to collaborate with them, to exchange our views with different deliberations and discussions would be there. So we are inviting scientists, researchers, academicians, corporate leaders, alumni of CT University and Sankara and healthcare professionals, and we are going to felicitate them for the noble cause, what they are doing for the nation, especially for Nepal. And we are also felicitating shining stars, meritorious students of Nepal. So the ultimate theme is for joint collaboration between India and Nepal for education, especially for the futuristic education, emerging technologies. And when you talk about the National Education Policy 2021 of India, we'll be discussing and deliberating on the new features and especially multi-level entry, exit, skill development of the students. That would be our theme, and we are there to rock in Nepal. Thank you very much. See you in Nepal, Kathmandu, 21st May, Indrani Hotel.